Welcome everyone to HFN. We're also known as HueFin News. We give you all the news according to the charts. That's why we're called HueFin News, because we want to make sure that people in our community are already on notice as to where price is going to go. This is what we're about. We're going to give you all price predictions in the stock market, cryptocurrency space, commodities, whatever the case may be. You're able to predict price movement so that you can be in position and dominate this space. This is what we do, right? So if you're not joining our team, you need to do that by liking the video, sharing the video, also subscribing here to the channel, right? We're going to be real with everyone in our team and our community. Now, if you're real yourself, then you need to join us. If not, you need to go join those moon boys on those other YouTube channels, because we just don't pump up stocks. We also deflate them. We also let the air out the balloons, because we need to be understanding that the price also goes down, right? And you need to question yourself, why do so many people only do videos about stocks going up? Because they want you to be happy. They're playing on your emotions. We don't play on your emotions, right? We could care less about what your emotion is, because the price doesn't care neither. It's going to go where it's going to go, higher and or lower. And if it's going to go lower, we're in a position to have to tell you that, because we're not here just to make you feel good. Because you can feel good even when the price goes down. You can still make bank. You can still make bread when the price goes down. All right. So do that if you want to join us. If not, we're cool. So check this out. FuelCell. Okay. Last time we did our price prediction in FuelCell was on May the 15th. Check it out. We played a strength then, and it definitely exceeded our expectations. Right? We weren't too bullish into the market in FuelCell at that time, 15.83%. But take a look at where the market topped out. Right there around 12. Okay? $12. So if you was able to stay in your position a little while longer, 61.78%. Boom. Right there. Not being greedy, not being overextended, telling people that it's going to 10x or 100x your money. No. 61.78 though. 15.83. That's what we're all about. We make the profit and we move on. All right, that's done. So now we need to talk about some things. First things first, we can already tell. See, that's why I appreciate the trap so much. He helps us out so much. He drops us breadcrumbs all the time. Every time the market is open, consider that a breadcrumb. Check this out. We was tracking the market in FuelCell being in a downtrend. What has the market done since April the 26th? Boom, traded sideways, right? So we can erase that, the downtrend, from our mind, right? FuelCell is not in a massive downtrend no more. Cool. That tells us that we can clean up our chart then, right? So let's get rid of this. We don't need it, because the downtrend is no longer in play. But what is in play is this. Check this out. Right there around $6.50 is still support. A pretty good area of support as well. It's around 8. Okay. 2 areas. $8 near-term area support. Next one below that is $6.50. Cool. We now know. Now, what we need to do on this video, we need to determine how low can this price go then. Okay. We need to see, can the market hold $8, or is there a greater chance for us to come all the way down here to $7.50, ultimately $6? And you know what? The trap gives us that information as well. Take a look. So we're going to start out on the 2-day time frame. All right. Now, obviously, the last two-day price bars is weak. Okay. My eyes is fixated on this closest area support around 8. So far, yeah, we can still see the market in FuelCell hold $8. That is still on the table on the 2-day. 3-day time frame, I can still see that prospect happening there too. All right, cool. 5-day. Do you see it on the 5-day though? Do you think the prospect of the market in FuelCell holding $8 is greater on 5-day? Or do you think we have a bigger prospect of it breaking $8 and coming lower? What about on the weekly? This is the weekly time frame. What do you all think here? can we still see the price in FuelCell hold $8? Because this is here, the weekly time frame, that I wouldn't expect the price in FuelCell to prop up price at $8. I just don't see that. So seeing this on a weekly basis, we need to be prepared that from a weekly to a 2 weeks, 3 weeks time frame, that price can break $8 to the downside and come to $7.50, even $8 right there. Okay. Now let me take a look at this before I put in the prediction. And this is the 2 weeks time frame. I'm sorry to tell you that the 2 weeks is even weaker, right? I'm still seeing indication that the market in FuelCell is giving us some weakness. One thing I can see also mixed in is that with that very small spread on that last completed 2 weekly price bar, is that the buyers definitely try to come in and prop up the price in FuelCell right there. Okay, so we need to be on guard, because if we see strength this upcoming trading week at $8, the market's going to stay above $8 and it's going to go higher from there. I'm here to tell you that. Okay, so let me do this real quick. We're going to play the weakness, right? Now I told you, be on guard to see the market try to prop up price around 8. So we already need to be prepared for the market to reverse course of going lower to going higher at $8, i.e. you need to take the bag right there. You need to take some profits off the table, 4 3/4% right there. Okay. Now, when I look at this on the weekly and the 2 weeks time frame, I'm not expecting it to really hold that price. So maybe around $7.25 to $7.50. Okay, we need to be on guard. Let me bring this up to $7.50, and that's about it. Okay, so we're going to play that just like this. Restriction currently is at $9, but I'm going to bring it around 10. Now, again, depending on your time preference, how long you're going to be in the store, how long you're going to be in this market, is going to determine how low this market can go, right? So this is it. I wouldn't be surprised if we see the price in FuelCell come all the way back down to 7 or even 6. But we're going to play this right now the way it is. Okay. So now I want to know what you all think. You know, are we going to go higher? Are we going to go lower in FuelCell? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And again, drop that comment in the comment section so you can learn how to do this for yourself. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.